In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the Play Store app on Android. If you want to prevent unauthorized purchases, stop children from installing apps, or simply add an extra layer of privacy to your device, locking the Play Store is a simple and useful feature. The good news is that many Android phones, including brands like Xiaomi, OnePlus, Oppo, and Vivo, already include a native app lock option. So in many cases, you won't need to download anything extra. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where most device security and app management options are located. Once you are inside Settings, look for the Apps section and open it. Depending on your phone model and Android version, this area may be labeled slightly differently, but it usually contains options related to installed apps and app permissions. From there, find and tap on App Lock on supported devices. This feature lets you restrict access to selected apps by requiring a PIN, pattern, or password before they can be opened. If this is your first time using App Lock, tap Turn On to enable it. You will then be asked to set up your preferred security method. Choose a PIN, pattern, or password that you can remember easily, but that other people won't be able to guess. This step is important because this code will be required whenever someone tries to open a locked app. After App Lock has been enabled, scroll through the list of apps shown on the screen until you find Google Play Store. Once you locate it, turn on the lock switch next to it. As soon as that switch is enabled, the Play Store will be protected, and anyone trying to open it will need to enter the lock method you just created. This is a quick way to add more control over your device, especially if you share your phone with family members or want to avoid accidental downloads and purchases. If you don't see the App Lock option on your phone, that usually means your device manufacturer doesn't include this feature in the built-in settings. But on supported phones, the process is usually fast and very straightforward. Once you've locked the Play Store, it's a good idea to test it right away. Exit Settings. Open the Play Store and make sure the prompt appears correctly. That way, you can confirm everything is working as expected. Thanks for watching.